One takeaway is that I will not ever buy a designer bag in the States ever again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angelica and I do lifestyle entertainment, random unboxings from time to time, and y'all are probably noticing we have a different type of environment, type of scenery, and that is because we are inside my office in the new luxury vault. And I am so excited to be doing a whole new unboxing because I just came back from Japan a few weeks ago, and now that I'm finally settled, you know, I want to be able to do a ultimate review on my TAKASHI MURAKAMI multicolor bag. Let's get straight into it, shall we? Before we begin, I did place it on the very top shelf. I don't know if you guys can see it, but obviously I don't have a box for it. I don't have a bag for it or anything like that because I did thrift it at a vintage designer secondhand shop in Japan. I believe that this one was from Shibuya, so look at the colors to it. This entire shelf right here, it's like square body type of shapes that I kind of, you know, went for. Let's go ahead and grab her. Oh my gosh, guys, it's her. It's the it girl. In today's video, we are going to be talking about first impressions, current pricing, the whole honest review on, you know, how to even wear it to begin with. So I'm gonna have like an outfit as to like how I would pair it up with and stuff like that. I haven't done this in such a long time because I was on such a long no spend, but look at her. Look at her. Okay, so I did get this at Casanova in Shibuya. They have multiple locations, by the way, which is actually crazy, but they do so well for themselves. They have such unique pieces, in my opinion. I've had so many questions as to like what stores were worth it to, you know, visit. And I definitely say Casanova because even though their shop is small, the selections I feel like are like, wow. The Louis Vuitton multicolore monogram Heartbreaker. And I know that's like a mouthful, but this was 2000s edition. I want to say it's like maybe 2012. I think that's when it launched, but whoever had this kept it in such good shape. Like there's no discoloration at all. There's like barely any scuffs. The only minor damage I would say is just the flap right here, the discoloration from water damage, and also the scratches on the hardware here for the brass. I do want to show you guys how everything works, and also with the chain here, there's like a little bit of discoloration too, which kind of sucks, but at the same time, you don't really notice it unless you're really like this. You're like staring at a bag up close like this. Like, are you really gonna grab someone's bag and just like be like this? Like, oh my gosh, where did you get it? No. Girl, that's not happening. So I went into this store and I was like, oh my goodness, there's no way that I'm not leaving without this bag. They had other styles too of the TAKASHI MURAKAMI, but this was what was calling me. It was just small, petite, but then also big enough to put a few things in this bag too. You know, this one's actually in size a little bit bigger than my Chanel. Like, look at this. I had to do a tiny bit of an upgrade in terms of like small edition bags, you know what I mean? The amount that I spent, by the way, was $1,900 USD. When you open the flap, it's like a bright pink. I don't even know how to describe this exact color, but it has it on the inside too. And apparently the owner said that there's not a lot of bags nowadays, this actual edition this year, that has this color in the inside. So it kind of makes it like a rare find, a gem, you know, very unique. And what I really like about this bag though, it has one slot in here and it's pretty tight too. So it's not super stretched out and loose. So I definitely like to put my cards, my cash in there. I'll show you how I pack this after this review. And then when you want to close it, you just kind of do that until it clicks. Obviously with the crossbody, it is so cute. I cannot believe that you can adjust them. Okay, that's one thing I love about crossbodies, that you can adjust however you want. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, a crossbody, you can wear it, you can make the straps shorter in a way where you can carry it kind of like this. That's perfect. Okay, it really depends on the type of style that you want to go for and also the look, the occasion. With the white coated canvas, it's so sturdy, it's hard, and it just isn't like a floppy type of material where you're just like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna swing it around, I'm gonna stuff it up, and then, you know, like I don't even see wrinkles and anything like that. Anyways, let's say that you want to travel and then you want to put this away. You can easily take the straps off like this. And when I first got it, actually, they took it off, put the bag like this up front. What they ended up doing with the straps, that they just rolled it up and placed it inside. The straps was kept in well condition as well. It looks almost kind of new, like barely used. Like I feel like whoever used this used it a lot but took really good care of it. Very, very simple like this, low key. I like to do it where it's a little bit on the tighter end, so that way you wear it as crossbody, but it's not too low, so that is on the second loop on the very top. And they literally just rolled it like this. So let's say you go on vacation and you're like not using the bag yet. Like obviously don't stuff your bag and your strap like jumbled up in your suitcase. Like just roll it up like this and it just fits snug. First of all, in Japan, I got this for $1,900, which is a grand steal. If you look it up online, first of all, there's not a lot of stock online at all. And if you want a bag like this, I think a condition like this in fair to good condition would be $3,000 without tax on the real. And then there's a black one, which I was in love with. Like I really want a black TAKASHI MURAKAMI bag so bad because I love the pattern to it and everything like that. The black one I saw was listed for $4,200. That's insane. You're telling me I bought this for a third of the price, basically, no tax? Honestly, I don't see a lot of people doing this. I see a lot of people doing this with their Chanel, but I kind of just like loop it around inside like this. That's what I end up doing because there's like such a gap anyway. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. And then I'm just gonna wear it as a shoulder strap and kind of adjust it in my way like that because the adjustable strap to it will not make it this short. So this is what it looks like using it as a shoulder strap. I'm in love with how I'm like using it like this because I don't want it to be a crossbody the entire time. Like you can make it a crossbody, but this is so cute. Let's say you're just wearing jeans, right? This is the entire fit that I would actually wear. I'm not even kidding. How do we feel? Do you like it? I feel like this is perfect. The height is perfect. The pattern is perfect. It makes it pop. I think that's one thing about why I really love this bag is because it's all white. I'm wearing all white, right? Which is very, very subtle, but it's just the fact that the patterns of the monogram is like all super different and it's so iconic. It pops. It's like a statement piece, but also still subtle at the same time. So it's not like the whole bag is like multiple colors everywhere, you know? It's like literally all white coated canvas, has a leather lining to it and everything like that, which matches, okay, the purple that you see here too. Now that I adjusted the height to the camera, I'm gonna show you guys an actual full body of the crossbody look, and that's gonna be really, really cute because it's a different look, obviously. It's whenever I wear puffy, thick coats. I know, this is also a statement piece too. I don't like wearing it to the front usually unless it's like my small mini Chanel bag, but since this is bigger, I wanted to put it kind of like this on the side, in the back, the end like that. And it looks perfect. Do you guys see how it like gives a whole pop of color in my outfit? There's no way that you're telling me that this bag is not the it girl. TAKASHI MURAKAMI is coming back whether you like it or not. And it's kind of like when you see this type of bag, it's like, you know if you know. Let's do a what's in my bag or how do I pack my bag because that's gonna be kind of fun. Okay guys, it's time to finally sit down and see what the heck I can fit in this bag. Hello. First things first, I most of the time like to put a key plush pendant on from Pham because of the multicolor. Because of the pink, I usually like to use these two. I choose one of them, not both of them because it's kind of chaotic. So I have like a crybaby one, the bunny, the pink. And then I also have this Have a Seat Labubu in pink as well. Depending on what the vibe is, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Easy to just pop anything you want on here. You could even use a different strap if you want to, or a different pendant, and it just goes so easily like this. So that one is really, really cute. I don't know what you guys think about this, but I think it's cute because it's already short. The other one, however, if I were to compare contrast, I'm gonna put this on the other side. It is bigger, even though it's a Have a Seat series. It looks like there's a bestie guarding your bag. It's pink though, and it's cute. But like I said, I don't know, it kind of like looks very too big for that. I feel like if you were to do it, then do this. But if not, then just don't wear anything on there. Now straight to the bag, we're gonna open it up. And I usually like to put my Louis Vuitton card holder in here. I'm obsessed with this. I love denim. I previously got this last spring, I believe. I have my Gentle Monster sunglasses. Surprisingly, these fit in there. Like, I could always wear it, you know, as is, but I don't know, I guess depending on if I'm eating or like whatever. And look at that. Oh, I love this. Clearly we have to have some sort of lippy. Sometimes I do have a lip tint in there and then also my Rhode Peptide, but this, life-changing. I'm sorry, I should have like a miniature bottle of this, but instead, I think I was traveling and I left it in here. Always carry your Advils. If you're PMSing, if you have a headache, this will save you. Last thing. I do have my Noshinku hand sanitizer. I usually use this or Touchland, but these are actually pretty light and it's not chunky, it's thin. Same concept, and they have a lot of good scents that are not strong, you know? So yeah, that is what's in this bag, or what I guess could fit in here. Like I said, I could carry a little bit more lippies if I wanted to, like a lip liner, like a whole lip, my trio lip combo in here, but I will definitely say that this has got to be my top 3 bag of all time now that it's all set up in the vault. I cannot believe I got this. This is a steal, 100%. TAKASHI MURAKAMI, like I said, it's coming back into style. There's like different ones from the old vintage days. They're coming back and everyone's totally wearing them. You would be so cool if they had like a darker beige brown edition of the TAKASHI MURAKAMI. I would cop that so quick. I do remember when they just relaunched the brand new TAKASHI MURAKAMI collaboration a couple months ago. It was sold out on the Louis Vuitton website. Everyone was talking about it on TikTok. If you were to get this, I would definitely say hold off your money on buying it brand new in the States. Go to Japan. I don't know, whenever you go on your next trip anywhere, you're gonna find this baby, okay? Maybe not this type of style. You're gonna have to look really, really hard on this type of style, but this pattern, this collaboration, it's so in. I feel like not everyone wears a pop of color like this. It's so unique, it stands out, and I think that's what drew me into it, because I'm just like, okay, anyone can just get a regular brown monogram, like Louis Vuitton bag, or like a white Chanel bag, or like a black flap classic, you know, Chanel bag. And moving on, okay, for whenever I collect my bags, I'm gonna get bags that will only stand out, will look entirely different, and like I don't have anything similar to it, size, pattern, you know, even sometimes color. And I think that's what, you know, made me swipe my card. I literally was like, nope, I'm gonna take it home. The last bit of the video for today, I really wanna thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. This was so fun to make because I love talking about all of my luxury pieces. Slowly collecting is my brand new IKEA PAX wardrobe, so technically I was saving money, you know, getting this in Japan. One takeaway is that I will not ever buy a designer bag in the States ever again. Even my Louis Vuitton duffel bag that I just got in Japan up there, that was the size 55 and it was in grade B, which is good condition, and I got that for $650. This is your sign to book your Japan trip or your Europe trip, wherever it may be, for, you know, if you're into luxury goods. So please feel free to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, I'm always posting that entire week. We'll definitely see you guys in the next unboxing video. I don't know when that's gonna be, but that's why you should subscribe, so you know for the next time around, you know what I mean? See ya!